Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a neumorphic design in Canva. So without further delay, let's do it! Firstly, I'll be adding a rounded rectangle to the design. Change the color to any color you want, but I'll be using gray in this instance. Then I'll download it with a transparent background. If you don't understand why I'm doing this, go watch my video on Neumorphism. Now upload the downloaded image. Duplicate it twice, one for the light side and the other for the dark side. Select the light one and set the brightness to 100. Now change the background color to the color of our main rectangle. Change the position to be behind the main rectangle. Then apply the blur adjustment. Select the dark rectangle and set the brightness to 0. And apply the blur adjustment. Also, reduce the transparency a bit for it to blend well. And that is how to create a neumorphic design in Canva. Give this video a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Peace.